halala, halala, halala. I'm so happy. Guys, look at what my poultry farming has done for me. I'm making good progress. In a week's time, I'm collecting 3 to 4 trays of 60 eggs. And they're not here to stay. I've got the pre-orders and I deliver. It's going very well. Please support me so that I can improve this poultry farming of mine. If you want to support, please like, comment, and donate so that Granny can grow up the poultry farming. If you want to support, please leave the comment, then we'll continue. Please support. My poultry farming is growing very well. Thank you so much.